Hello and welcome to today's video. Now I'm in the garden and it is a lovely sunny day and it's very hot at the moment. Now when the weather gets hot, your kids tend to want to get the paddling pool out, and we've got the paddling pool there, and that's fine. And you know, once it's filled up, they can have a lot of fun, splash round, and then you've just been left with, well, a big container full of a lot of water, and draining it is a problem. Now you could just sort of tip it out and hope your neighbours don't end up hating you, but I don't really want to destroy my neighbour's garden by tipping vast quantities of water into it, because I wouldn't like it if they did it to me. So I want to try and get the water out of here in a controlled manner. Now you could use the old hose pipe and trick that your dad used to use to siphon petrol, but honestly I don't really want to suck on what is ultimately my child's and dog's bath water. I mean, I've had some pretty disgusting things in my mouth in my time, but that seems to take the biscuit. So we're going to try and get the water out in a controlled way and maybe even use it to water the garden. That's the plan anyway. Whether it goes to plan, well, I don't know. This is the first time I've done this, and it might all go horribly wrong, but you know, you're not always here to see things go well. So how am I going to do it? Well, I got this package from Amazon, and it contains a pump. But this pump is powered by a drill. You just put your drill on here and it sucks water through. And then by the looks of it, the yellow is the input and the green is the output. And so, yeah, this was about 11 quid. Bit of a bargain. So what I thought I'd do is pump the water out using my drill, and hopefully I can run it through the sprinkler at the other side of the garden. That's the plan. So yeah, what I need to do is I need to mount this onto a bit of wood, because it says don't hold it for obvious reasons. You know, your drill goes quite fast and you don't want this spinning all over the place. So it's got some little screw holes here, and I've got this bit of wood that I picked up from B&Q. In B&Q stores, they quite often have scrap wood bins near the exit. So this seemed like a good chunky bit of wood to screw this into, so it won't go anywhere, and hopefully my plan will work. So I'm going to do a bit of screwing, and yeah, then we'll be back. There we go. That is fixed into position. So rather handily, the pump comes with the little hose adapters. They do take standard hose lock hose heads on them, but if you don't have one of those, all you do is get your bit of hose, slide the end down, push in the hose like so, make sure it's firmly in, and then just tighten it up. So there we go. So this is going to be the piece of hose that goes into the pool, and this other end will plug onto my sprinkler. So let's plug it all together. Okay, so this end can go in the pool, and this end can go on the sprinkler. Okay, so we've got some warning labels on here. It says never run dry, noted, and shaft will not turn my hand. So in theory, what I need to do is put this on the end of the drill, tighten the drill up, and then drill. We're sprinkling the garden. Awesome. Now the problem is, I don't really want to sit here with my finger on the trigger all day. Let me try and fix that. Okay, let's use some Velcro cable ties. Apparently it can pump 30,000 litres per hour at 3,000 RPM. So I don't know how quick the drill's going. It does seem to be going pretty quickly. And I'm not wasting the water. I'm using it to keep the grass looking nice and green because it really needs it. So there we go, a quite quick and simple and relatively cheap way to drain your paddling pool and reuse the water. Now you could obviously just drain it off into a drain if you wanted to. I don't know if that's allowed, not sure really. But yeah, my little contraption's doing the job. I'm well pleased. Okay, well if you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful for you in any way, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, then please do give it a subscribe. But for now, it's game over.